Now, would you please welcome the Director of Bowling Operations for Boyd Gaming, Mr. Mike Connors.
Thank you, Bernard. What a great event this was this week. Some really fabulous bowling, an amazing time. Congratulations to Shannon and Sam. And on behalf of the almost 900 team members here at Samstown, we hope you had a great time. Thanks for coming. Thank you to Tom Pippinger and his staff down in the bowling center who did a great job this week. And Samstown was thrilled to host this event. Pat Sinello and the team from QubicaAMF, you're welcome back anytime. Thank you for a first-class event. And if that magician doesn't take your money at the table, there's tables out there that can do that. Remember, as you enjoy your night, what happens here tonight will certainly stay here. So enjoy your time in Las Vegas. Thank you all for coming.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to present the Sportspersons Award. So to do that, we have always invite back our two champions to present the awards. So would you welcome to the stage to present the awards Shannon O'Keefe from the United States and Sam Cooley, our two newly crowned QubicaAMF World Cup champions. They were very close this year. I have to say, in all the years we've been doing the Sportsperson Awards, we had great difficulty going through the counting the number of votes we got, but it was really good in the end. So I'll read out, first of all, the sportswoman of the tournament goes to Daniele Gabala from Gibraltar. The sportsman, as awarded, goes to Leonardo Davis from the Bahamas. While we're having the photograph taken there, we also got the participants to sign 2 extra trophy pins, and they are to be presented to the bowling center, to Samstown Bowling Center, Tom Pippinger Jr., who's the manager, and to Chelsea Wells, the assistant manager. Now, just getting to the end of our official part of the evening, so would you now welcome the chairman of QubicaAMF to say a few words to you, Mr. Pat Sinello.
Good evening. We just saw a little gentleman up here named TJ. So Lisa and myself, Lisa's my wife, we're sitting in the tournament room, and TJ comes over, and he told us, isn't this great that this tournament brings all these countries together, 84 countries. Let's give yourselves a big hand. First of all, we couldn't do it without a great host. I'd like to thank Mike Kaufman, Mike Connors, and the staff at Samstown. They've just been fabulous all week long. We love you guys, and we will be back. As far as QubicaAMF, I'd really like to thank the staff. Anne-Marie has been doing this for 26 years, and without Anne-Marie, this would not be the World Cup. She does a phenomenal job with the help of Bernard, Tina, Cliff, and of course, Mr. Noda, who takes all of our pictures, follows us all around. Thank you, Mr. Noda. One thing, I'm a bowler. I've been bowling since I'm 12 years old, and that's over 60 years. And I love the sport. And watching you people today, there's such talent out there. The amount of revolution some of the people put on the balls, it's just amazing. The messengers flying all over there. I was just amazed with pins flying all over. The beauty of bowling, bowling has no borders. We have no walls. It's a phenomenal sport, and you're part of our family. And we thank you from QubicaAMF. We wish you a safe trip back, and we look forward to the 55th event. We're not telling you where we're going yet. Shortly, it'll be announced. But thank you very much. Have a great evening.